guys, so this was another question that we've come across. I thought I'd just quickly explain this to you. So the question was, can we make completely bespoke LED strip lighting in terms of colour, in terms of LEDs per metre, in terms of the different LEDs, in terms of the thickness of the PCB, and in terms of the different lengths of the LED strip? So as at InStyle LED, we have our product range. So we have all of our RGBW strips, we have all of our white strips, we have a wide range of Kelvins, we have a wide range of colours. But if you've got a specific colour that you're looking to match, so for example, if this is the brand logo colour of a company, and you need us to make the exact colour or match that colour, we can actually make the LEDs to that exact colour. So all of our products, we like to stock huge amounts in stock for next day delivery, and we can bespoke them in terms of length. So if you need our 2400 Kelvin LED strips and you need them making into 100 lamps at 2.4 meters with a 3 meter cable, we can do that and we can ship it for next day. But if you are looking for this completely bespoke, let's say this bespoke orange, then we can make this for you. So we can start by getting this made from a manufacturer. That'll probably take a couple of weeks to get in a variety of samples. So the orange, we may have 5 different oranges that we believe to be close to the sample colour that you've provided. You can then choose the correct colour and then get more samples in terms of the quantity of LEDs or how bright you need them to be. Then again, that will take another couple of weeks to match that exactly. Then go there forward, we can discuss in terms of the quantity. It can usually be low quantities, is probably as little as 50 meters, and we can start making the LED strips bespoke to you for that exact color for your brand or for your client's brand. We can do that no problem at all. So please comment away or check out InStyleLED.co.uk and give us a call and we can see if we can help you. So thank you for watching.